Now this is not going to react too much. It's going to react to where we have bare wood or where it's sanded through that wood.
Oh, you get that blue?
Yeah, like I said, that's the thing that I looked at and I'm like, oh, you flew me to Denver for this? But yeah, I mean, never look at it dry because that's torture. But in general, it levels out great. So color sealer is the one that freaked me out the most when I started to work with Pallmann, because it goes on and it looks weird, like it has a strange color to it when you put it down, and it freaked me out when I started. But you just put it on the floor and forget about it. It will do all the magic and it'll look great when it's done. You can see the viscosity is a lot less than it was with the white seal. So again, just load up. But you see that pink color? That's the color that freaks you out when you see it on a floor. Never watch water-based dry. Especially if you're in like a penthouse or something like that where there's windows everywhere. You will not enjoy that at all. So yeah, same application. Now, have I seen guys do this with T-bar? Yes. The main thing is, as long as you're light on that T-bar and you don't put it down too thin, or you're just pulling certain areas, if you can stay consistent on it, then you're fine. Now this is not going to react too much. It's going to react to where we have bare wood or where it's sanded through that wood. I think that's just a gap that might have been missed.
From an previous
yeah, so that's kind of what Nature Seal normally, color would normally look like.
Oh, you get that blue?
Yeah, like I said, that's the thing that I looked at and I'm like, oh, you flew me to Denver for this? But yeah, I mean, never look at it dry because that's torture. But in general, it levels out great. It will. The nice thing about color that is true to color and clear. If you were to make a mistake, in the sense of you left a heavy spot, a roller mark, a puddle, or anything like that, the quicker you're on it with 96 or power, it will actually melt into the sealer again. So it will soften up all those, a roller mark or a stop mark or anything like that, which is very, very nice. It's I always say it's a kind of a fail-safe in our product line.
For more information on Pall-X color, you can call us at 800-737-1786 or go to our website at cityfloorsupply.com.